What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Yo Ass Hungry Now. And today, what are we making?
Today we're making one of Valencia's favorite, paella. A dish consisting of mainly rice, saffron, vegetables, and chicken. Today we're going to amalgamate lots of seafood and make a great dish.
Let's get into the recipe. I'm going to start by dicing some onion, some pepper, and then mincing a little garlic. Next, I got one chicken thigh. I'm gonna take the bone out, take the skin off, and break it down. Just run your knife along the side of the bone here. Peel back the skin. Cut off this little piece of fat. I'm just gonna give it a general dice. Then we set that in a bowl.
So for paella, typically you have a paella pan, very thin and narrow. Today we have to improvise, so we just have a sauce pot. Yeah, so to that we are going to add a liberal amount of olive oil.
I'm going to chop it up.
To that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of Spanish paprika. And we'll stir in. We're gonna add our shrimp. About 10 pieces. Tails and shells on. All that flavor. Now we're gonna remove our shrimp so they don't overcook. Now with all that base flavor, we're gonna add our onions and garlic. Some olive oil, another half teaspoon of paprika. We're going to sweat these down until they go translucent. Add 1 fresh bay leaf and deglaze the pan with white wine. Now that our wine's evaporated, we're going to add red bell peppers and our diced chicken. Try to get a little color on that chicken in the center of the pan. Salt. Pepper. Now that I've got some color, give it a nice little stir. Potatoes. About 4 ounces. We're gonna add 1 pinch of saffron, and 1 last deglaze with white wine. We're gonna toast 1 cup of Arborio Rice. Now that we have our toasted rice, we're gonna add a little bit of our homemade chicken stock. Just little bits at a time. So a big part of paella is developing this crust on the bottom of the pan here. So you really don't want to fiddle with your rice too much. You really want a nice crust to bite into. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prepare our mussels and our sea scallops.
While the paella continues to cook, I'm going to get some mussels steamed off. I'm going to start with a tablespoon of butter, get that melted down. I think I should splash a little wine, then stock. It's like getting drunk for breakfast. I can't believe I drank that wine. Holy.
While Jamal's pan's heating up for his mussels, I'm going to get a pan on for some sea scallops.
Butter's all melted. I'm going to add 1 thinly sliced shallot. Give that a little stir. Gonna let those soften up slightly, and then we're gonna add the mussels in. Shallots begin to soften up a bit. We're gonna add a pound of mussels. If you see any of them that are opened up, give them a little knock. If they close up, they're still alive. If they're not, they're dead. Seems like a very common theme in this video. White wine. Get a little splash of white wine in the mussels. A couple ladles of that stock that Alex made. I'm gonna throw a lid on this and just let them steam till they all open up.
Just salt my sea scallops. You get a good hard sear. A little knob of butter. A little deglaze of lemon. Turn off our pan. Set these aside for shrimp. To our paella, we're gonna add fresh parsley, a little lemon juice.
All those mussels have steamed up beautifully, cut the heat, and then they're ready to go in our paella.
We're gonna add a little bit of that beautiful nectar from the mussels into our paella. Really amplify that seafood flavor. You see we got our crust developed down here. Yummy. To finish off our paella, we're gonna add a little handful of green peas. Kosher salt to taste. And cracked pepper. Alright, we're gonna remove our bay leaf. Add back in our seafood. Start adding our mussels. Finish with fresh parsley. Fresh lemon for squeezing.
Squeezing and teasing.
There you have it, paella. Alrighty, now time for my favorite part.
Time to dig in, baby.
Wow, great color. That is ridiculously good. Wow. We had a little touch more lemon.
Chicken.
Just so fresh, so much flavors. Wow.
This was delicious. Super simple to make. Just takes a little love. TLC.
Hell yeah. Alright.
Thanks for watching this video.
I gotta go devour this now.
See you next Saturday. Peace.